Okay, everybody, I'm attempting to go outside for the first time since Saturday. I'm attempting to go to this little corner store. It's about, I'll say 4 blocks up. So hopefully I'll make it. I'm going to try to tape as much, but I'm going to have my hands in my pocket so I won't be just filming the whole thing because it's cold outside. Okay, so let's go. I did this yesterday. Lock this door. Okay, let's see how far I get, y'all. I'm taking my precious time. All in these tracks. All right, let me concentrate, y'all. I'm not falling out here. As y'all can see, I'm not walking on that ice in the street. I'm trying to walk over here, and I'm walking. I'm literally walking in other people's footprints. Footsteps, whatever you want to call it. I'm almost at a main road, which looks like it has been shoveled or treated. Okay, let me concentrate. Okay, walking on a cleared pavement, a main street. Almost there. Woo! Y'all, look at this parking lot. This is to the store. Be careful. Yeah, you gotta be careful. You're right.
Slip and slide or break a bone.
That's right. This is ridiculous. Now y'all open for business, y'all could at least done better than this. Okay, y'all. Let me watch my step. On my way back home, y'all. It is a mess out here. And just imagine tonight when we get, I think they said 4 to 5 more inches of snow. I had to break free for just for a few minutes. I hear this sound everywhere. People trying to get unstuck. I know. It's a mess out here, y'all. But guess what? Wow. Why you better stop? You gonna tell your... He said, I'm getting out of here. Okay. Y'all, I have made it home. I'm so proud of myself. Woo. Look at this. I made it home. All right, y'all. I'm in the house, y'all, and it is hot as I don't know what out here. And you know how when you're outside and you see all that white, you're just looking at white snow. When you come inside, my light is on in here and my end table light. It feels dark in here. Okay, I'm going to attempt to go to the side way to take my trash out because, again, we're getting some more snow. I think we're getting more snow tonight. So I need to get this trash out of here. Okay, let's see, can I make it? No trash service, but I have 2 regular sized trash bags, not those big black ones. But baby, you hear that spinning out? I got that trash in that trash can. It's out of my house. Okay, let me make it back. Whoa, what's happening? Okay, safe and sound in the house. I did not fall one time. Yeah, I kept on slipping, but I did not fall. Made it there, got me a few, I broke nails. Yeah, but that's okay. Got me a few items that I needed, and then some things that I wanted because I don't want to be in this house without them, like a few little snacks. Y'all, let me tell you real quick. I'm tired, so y'all got to excuse me huffing and puffing. I took my trash out. Mission accomplished. But I think y'all just saw that. See, that's how tired I am. But what I'm about to say. Give me a minute. It's going to come back. Oh, when I went outside to the side to go to the back, right? Instead of going down those treacherous steps, I went to the side. Well, I made it all the way to the side. I was so happy. I tried to push the gate. They have the gate almost like, well, it's like in the ground. So the gate is so that people can't just be coming through through our backyard. And I didn't know that. I said, I can't. I tried and I tried to get that gate open. I couldn't. So I had my bags in my hand. So I said, I had 2 bags. I said, well, maybe if I go around the other way, I'm going to see is there the gate there. Y'all, as soon as I turned the corner to go, there was no gate. So I was able to take my trash out. Okay, y'all, we got more snow coming. Be safe. Please be safe. Don't be trying to get out here. Y'all hear all them people trying to get out? And I understand why they're trying to get out, because they know another round is coming. But be safe, be careful, and have a good day, everybody. And do it on purpose. Bye, y'all. Woo! I'm hot now. Bye.